Howdy folks, we have here two Ramsey Electronics kits from mid-70s, this DC5 Clock, and this one looks to be dated 1981. I didn't know what this thing was. A little bit of digging. I can't find information on this guy, but it is the CT-127 as labeled on the board. So let's just touch off on this clock quick. This is the Ramsey Electronics kit, DC5, and it has different displays, as I showcased the DC5 before, which uses Fairchild FND359 displays, which generally are not as crisp as what's being shown in this clock here. These displays are much more crisp than those old Fairchild displays. These, I looked up LTS367P, and I came up with a data sheet for LITEON, L-I-T-E-O-N. So I'm not sure if this is original equipment or if this display has been updated. Interesting enough though, there's a possibility to clean up those displays in the other Ramsey Electronics clock I have. This one is missing its sides. I will make something up for that. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to reach out to anybody that knows what this is. This actually is a thermometer, and the readout is in binary from what I could figure. Googling the CT-127, I didn't really come up with too much, but Ramsey Electronics apparently re-released in the early 2000s a CT-255 CompuTemp. Okay, so it was under John Ramsey's permission. A little bit I gathered. There is instruction sheets online for the 255 model, but it does have variations, some circuit changes and stuff as upgraded with more modern components in the 2000 era. This CT-127 I would like to find information on. I am not exactly sure how the binary coded decimal is laid out. Best I could deduce, the rightmost or least significant indicator is a half a degree, and then you have your 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 after that, right? So with the way this is indicating, and you add up your binary values, it seems to me that this readout could be in Celsius. So I don't know, but that's why I'm reaching out. Maybe somebody has this that they built or has some paperwork. I'm looking for information on the CT-127 Ramsey Electronics CompuTemp thermometer. Okay, so that's where we'll leave it. I will kind of hold on to the temperature sensor here, and you'll see that the least significant digit with my cold fingers, my ray knobs, is probably not conducting my body heat. Let's see here, it usually does it pretty quick. Yeah, I have cold hands today, folks, but you can usually see this LED on the far right begin to light up, and then you can start out. There we go. I got it to the warmer part of my hand, and then if it continues to warm up, these will go out. Next one will come on. Cold hands today. Neurological problems, but that's what I'd like to achieve here. There's show this off. It does have two pots inside. I was wondering what these holes were for. They must be calibration pots, so you can access it while it's together. I am not sure what it has for a display filter, whether that's labeled with the weights of the binary positions or not. And like the other one, this one is missing its side plates as well. So this one's incomplete. An image or some paperwork would be great. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.